To be unboxing, we're gonna be unboxing and doing a squishy ball science kit. You can make 3 squishy balls with it. So we had to cut the whole box until we get a great picture of it. So we're gonna be unboxing this big thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That thing. So we're unboxing the squishy ball set, and we're putting in this. whoa. Pushing in this thing. Also, some of these PVA glue solution. Squishy ball science kit instructions. Kit includes 3 balloons, 3 bags of glue base, 3 bags activator, 3 one is sensory bead squishy ball. The second one is blue bling squishy ball. And the last one is purple shimmer squishy. Take 1 bag of the glue base and add all 48 milliliters to the clean mixing bowl. I could just it's already there. This thing really pour it into the one of the colors of liquid coloring for our version. We choose blue. I'm going to take this off carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna start with this thing. Finished. Stir more. Like my dad said, I'm gonna pour a little glitter. Be very gentle. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna put the next thing, glitter. It is very soft and fragile, and there's more of it. Because this one is bigger, and now this one is smaller. But we're gonna put an appropriate amount. Okay. And we're just mix it right. And when we're done with it, when we're done mixing, we're gonna pat it. So we need this thing to be more blue. Bag of the activator and slowly add all 20 milliliters to the mixing bowl. So we need 1 of the activator, and it says 20 grams. So we're just gonna put that there. So I'm gonna pour all the activator into the squishy glue slimy thing. when we're done, make sure to like roll the bag in so you get all of it. And then we're gonna use the stir stick to combine activator with the glue and stir until all of the liquid is combined. The mixture will become thick and slimy. Well, it's already becoming slimy. It's already becoming slimy. One of the balloons and connect it to the funnel. So we take one of the balloons, it doesn't matter which one. But we also want a sturdy balloon so it doesn't pop. This is gonna be, Dad, can you help me out?
Sure.
Wait. So then we're gonna pour all the sticky slime into the bowl. Make sure you are very careful if you're following this with me. And whoa, push it in. Push all of it in. Down. Oh no. Down. It's gonna take almost forever. I'm gonna use my thumb so I can like pull it in so close. Just let it sit. Let it sit. There you go. We squeeze out any excess air and tie the end of the balloon to fasten. This can be a bit tricky, and adults' help might be necessary. Now your squishy ball is done, and you can play with it now.